Hello everyone. Today we will make Termux banner. Let's go. At first, update and upgrade our Termux machine. And now, install git tool by apt install git command. Install Python tool. Alright, let's install Python update version Python 3 as well. Okay, I have already installed it. Well, clear the screen. Okay, we need to install an essential module called lolcat. Simply type pip install lolcat and hit enter. This is a Python file. Whoa, my requirement already satisfied, that's mean I have already installed that. Now our next step is to clone a git file. Just type git clone and paste the link. You will get this link in description box, so not to worry, and hit enter. After that, it will initiate the cloning process. Well, our process has been accomplished. Now, we need to access that cloned file directory by cd space termux/banner command. Here, we got the directory. After that, our next command is chmod space +x space $sign. Just put ls command now. And then, we have to put a file name. Just type bash space requirement.sh. Now, just wait to finish this file setup process. Give the permission. Okay, looks like the file setup process is complete. Our last and final command in this project is bash space t/ban.sh. Now, give the name of your banner whatever you want. I am giving a one from my choice. Now, give cause name. It means the title name. So, our project has been successfully accomplished. Now, just exit the terminal by exit command. Now, reopen the terminal and see. Boom, this is our terminal banner. Now, if you intend to remove this, type this command and access to the directory. Well, now type bash space remove.sh. So, now see. The banner has removed. So, I hope you guys understood. Then good.
Bye.